How to earn hundreds to thousands monthly, a ranking of 12 websites. If you're looking for ways to earn a few hundred to several $1,000s, I have compiled a list of 12 websites that can help you achieve this goal starting right now. I'll be discussing them in descending order of difficulty based on my personal evaluation and opinion. Starting off with something that not many people like to do, which is doing laundry, SudShare might be the perfect platform for you if you happen to enjoy and are really good at this task. SudShare operates as a laundry service. When customers want their dirty clothes to be picked up, laundered, folded, and delivered back to them, they can place an order on the SudShare app. To begin your SudShare journey, simply visit their website, click on Join the Team, select Start Now, and provide your phone number. You'll receive a text message with the SudShare app to start the process. You'll need to enroll in a short training program to ensure that you can perform the job correctly. After completing the program, you can begin to earn money. Now, do you think that you're eloquent and have a good speaking voice? If you have this skill, then ACX is the ideal platform for you to earn extra income. ACX is a website where authors can transform their books into audiobooks. Here's how it works. You sign up, establish a profile, upload samples, determine your payment preferences, and accept any job offers that interest you. Then you begin recording, complete the project, deliver it, and receive payment. It's pretty straightforward. I came across a LinkedIn article discussing how one person has earned a yearly income of $200,000 through ACX. The article revealed that the usual compensation for a completed hour of narration is approximately $300. Therefore, if you narrate a 10-hour book, you'll earn $3,000. If you can manage 2 to 4 books per month or even 1 per week if you're skilled enough, the payout can be very great. Unlike most websites that offer payment for completing random tasks, Respondent distinguishes itself by offering payment for participating in research studies. These studies can pay up to $750 per study, making it a potentially lucrative opportunity. To access these paid opportunities, all you need to do is sign up using your work email, and you'll be presented with a list of hundreds of available studies. Upon signing up, you can immediately access hundreds of studies. Are you an expert in your profession? Do you consider yourself knowledgeable in the fields of health and medicine, law, coding, or graphic design? If you do, then you may be able to earn some extra income by answering questions on this website called Just Answer. People ask specific questions to experts, who provide answers and earn money in return. Just Answer reports that its experts earn an average monthly income of $2,000 to $7,000, and the top earners make over $80,000 per year. However, the downside is that you must prove to them that you're really an expert in your particular field. Despite this requirement, if you meet the qualifications, you have the potential to earn up to $7,000 per month. Even if you don't meet the qualifications for the aforementioned opportunity, chances are you have other skills that people lack. Whether it's French, psychology, Photoshop, algebra, sports coaching, or any other skill, you can sign up for SuperProf and teach that particular expertise. SuperProf states that you can earn between $20 and $80 per hour as a tutor on their platform, regardless of your area of expertise. Therefore, if you possess any skill or knowledge that you can teach, SuperProf provides an opportunity to generate some additional income. TextBroker is a platform where business companies go to get their content written, and the writers they collaborate with are common people like us. They partnered with well-known companies such as Staples, eBay, Otto, and Conductor to create all kinds of written content, ranging from simple articles to highly detailed ones that require extensive research. Moreover, they also provide services for translating existing content into other languages. Visit the website and click on I Write Content. Although the starting pay might not be high, someone shared that they worked for the platform full-time and made around $3,000 to $4,000 per month. So if you're a skilled writer, this could be a great opportunity to earn a significant amount of money. User testing is a platform where companies seek feedback on their websites, apps, and digital products, and you can be the one to provide this feedback. As a publicly traded company, user testing is a reputable platform. If you visit their website and click on Get Paid to Test, you can learn more about how it works. Simply browse through the available opportunities and take the test to earn money instantly by testing websites, apps, and other digital products. I came across a review of user testing online out of curiosity, and it turns out that you can actually earn money through it. They pay $10 for every 20-minute video that you complete, which doesn't seem like a bad deal. If you excel at creating video content and it doesn't necessarily have to be of high quality, you can use a device that you most likely already own. One website that offers this is ProductTube, which is available as an iOS or Android app that you can download and use while shopping for groceries to earn money. You can create 3 different types of videos on ProductTube that can earn you money. The videos you create on ProductTube are categorized into 2 types: at home and in-store. At-home videos are made in the comfort of your own home using products that you purchase from the grocery store. In-store videos are made while you're shopping by simply attaching your phone to your shopping cart and recording your shopping experience. Another feature called augmented reality makes use of ProductTube's technology to display products in any area of your home without actually needing to have the physical product. Given that many people are already doing grocery shopping, why not take advantage of the opportunity to earn money while doing so? B-roll is a slightly different opportunity, but similar in nature with ProductTube. E-commerce brands such as Athletic Greens will pay content creators to showcase their products, and you can be the one creating the content. By downloading the app, you can sign up for these opportunities instantly. B-roll claims to pay between $50 and $100 per video. Rev is a website that offers transcription and captioning services to individuals who need them, and they pay people like you and me to perform these tasks. As a transcriptionist on Rev, you can earn between 30 cents and 110 cents per audio or video minute transcribed, while captioners can earn between 54 cents and $1.10 per audio or video minute captioned. This gives you a rough idea of how much you can potentially earn on Rev. If you're comfortable spending a few hours sitting in front of your computer, transcribing audio or writing captions for videos, then Rev is the website that's perfect for you. If you're a student or recent college graduate with test prep materials, notes, group projects, or any other documents from your classes, you may find Stevia useful. This website allows you to sell virtually any notes you've taken in college, and according to the website, the average monthly earnings per user are over $100, while the average earnings per document sold is almost $9. After doing my research on the website, I came across an article that indicates top sellers of study documents in Stevia can earn approximately $400 per month. The final website on the list requires a lot of guts but minimal effort. With Carver Ties, you can earn over $1,000 a month simply by driving around town as you normally would, except with a large decal of a business on your car. The company claims to pay out $450 to $1,500 per campaign. If you're comfortable driving around with a large logo or decal on your car, Carver Ties may be the perfect option for you, as it involves no work on your part. Although it's not included in the 12 websites previously mentioned, I have an additional recommendation: Webull. Webull is a stock trading and cryptocurrency platform. If you sign up for Webull and create an account with a minimum deposit such as $5 and it's your first time using the platform, you may be eligible for a bonus. You'll get free stocks that are worth $30,600. This is an easy way to earn money, so sign up now and don't miss this opportunity. While these websites are not likely to make you wealthy, it's possible that doing one of them or a combination of them could earn you several hundred to several $1,000s per month. All it really takes is to find the one that you enjoy the most. It may be hard at first because you're still learning the ropes, but eventually you'll get the hang of it and learn what works best for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video and have a great day. See you soon.